All right, for this example, we're told that the population of Mexico is approximately 110 million. And we're asked to predict the population in 10 years and in 20 years if the growth rate is 1.42% annually and if the growth rate is 1.42% continuously. All right, so the formula for annual growth is going to be n is equal to n naught times 1 plus r to the t. So the population is going to be equal to the initial population times 1 plus the annual growth rate to the t power, where t is the time in years. So for this, the initial population is 110 million. And then we're going to multiply that by 1 plus the annual growth rate, which is 1.42%, but we need to put that as a decimal. So that's going to be 0.0142. Remember, we need to move the decimal place, the decimal point 2 places to the left. And then that's going to be to the 10th power. And if we plug that into our calculator, we're going to get that this is approximately equal to 126,656,869. So let me try to squeeze that into our box up here. 126,656,869. That's over 10 years if we have an annual growth rate of 1.42%. All right, so next we're going to do this for 20 years. Everything's going to stay the same. We still have an initial population of 110 million. We still have an annual growth rate of 1.42%. The only thing we're going to change is this is now going to be 20 years. And if we plug that into our calculator, we're going to get that this is approximately equal to 145,836,022. So let's put that in our box up here. 145,836,022. All right, next we need to figure out the continuous growth rate. So the continuous growth rate is going to be a different formula. For this one, we've got n is equal to n naught times e to the kt, where n is our population, n naught is our initial population, e is a constant, that's approximately equal to 2.718, and then k is going to be our continuous growth rate, and then t is still time in years. So this is going to be equal to, now the initial population is still 110 million, times e to the 0.0142 times 10. And if we plug that into our calculator, this is going to be approximately equal to 126,783,431. So up here, let's put that in our box, 126,783,431. So you can see that that's an increase over the annual growth of about 127,000 people. All right, now over 20 years, this is going to be the exact same equation. We're just changing our t. And if we plug that into our calculator, that's going to be approximately 146,127,622. So 146, 127, 622. All right, and that's it.